Yo, yo. What's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. Sunday fun day. You guys know the vibes, man. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Man. Can't tell you guys how good it feels. How good it feels, man. Free at last, free at last, free at last. Free at last. Yep. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. It is about that time. Letting everybody get settled in here. Hopefully you guys had a great weekend. I did. Yeah, man. A lot of work over the weekend. A lot of work these past 6 months, this year. I'm excited, man. I'm very excited. Tonight's the first night that I'll be publicly talking about what I'm going to talk about. Yeah, man. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are excited as well. It's going to be big for everybody. You, me, anybody who's watching, anybody in the future. And yeah, man. It's about that time. I'm going to give you guys, okay? I'm going to give you guys the opportunity, right? You want to talk about the announcement first or at the end? One of the mods in Kick, if you hit backslash and then poll, you should be able to create a poll. And then I'll do the one on YouTube. I think a mod can do it on YouTube as well. If you guys want to go ahead and do that real quick. Put a poll real quick on... oops. Not supposed to see that. Yeah. Put up a poll. Put up a poll. I don't know if mods can do it on the YouTube side. I'll just do it myself. Yeah, hit the backslash and then type poll. You should be able to create one for the mods on Kick. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll create it on YouTube for you guys. All right, I just created the one on YouTube. Welcome in, everybody. For anybody that's new here, welcome. For anybody that attends regularly, I appreciate all of you guys dearly, right? You guys know I've been doing this for years. I don't plan on stopping. This is something I'll never stop. And I've been doing these lives for 5 years now, and I've missed a handful over the last 5 years. You know, I take these very seriously. I do these for you guys. And yeah, man. Did you guys get the poll and Kick? There we go. Yeah. Who did it? They're getting mod of the week. Who did it? Who did the poll on Kick? I know it wasn't Quita. Was it Quita? Y'all let Quita outdo y'all? Nah, she's over on YouTube. Uh-oh, Girl with Goals did it? Let's go. Let's go. Girl with Goals did it? Nice. Cool. All right. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty. So you guys want to know now. Okay. Alrighty. So, I mean, now it is, I guess. So, as you guys know, man, I've been live trading for free for probably about the past year and a half, right? Every single day, 5 days a week, right? I did that for a few reasons, right? One, because I genuinely wanted to help you guys learn and earn, right? I don't ask you guys for anything. I posted every single day for free. I also wanted to set the standard of what live trading is supposed to look like from a real, consistently profitable 7-figure trader, right? Like you guys witnessed it, what it's supposed to be like. Whether it goes from pre-market, whether it goes to market open, from executing, from commentating the market from a consistently profitable trader's perspective, to managing trades, to trade recaps, to just general trading knowledge on a day-to-day basis. That was my goal, right? Obviously, right, I can't do that forever, right? My time is very valuable. I'm sure your guys' time is very valuable. And if you were in the same position, you would do the same thing. So yes, if your first question was, did I stop live trading for free? I did. If you would like to live trade with me moving forward, there is one way you can do so. As always, even if you do have to pay for live trading, I find a way to give back. And that is why I didn't post about this publicly, because I want to reward the people that show up for me, right? If you're showing up to these Sunday lives, I know you're serious. So everybody that showed up tonight, I'm obviously going to give you a chance that no one else is going to get, right? Anybody, when I post this next week on my Instagram, because I'm not going to post it for another week, it'll be a totally different scenario, right? Everybody who's here tonight, I made sure to reward you if you do want to live trade with me. And it's not going to just be live trading, right? It's not going to be just live trading. You'll have access to our community directly. And that will be through WAP, okay? If you guys want a sneak peek of what it looks like, I'll be more than happy to share it. If you guys want to wait, right? If you guys want to wait, we can wait, no problem. If you guys want to see it now or see it when you get in there, it's completely up to you. What we can do right now, right? Like I said, I was going to reward people for showing up to this live, right? This will happen one time and one time only. You guys know I do the same thing with my mentorship. I don't believe in discounts for a few reasons. I know what I'm worth. I know what my time's worth, right? I'm doing this one time and one time only, okay? One time and one time only. I'm going to drop the link in the chat right now, and I'll go over it with you guys, and I'm going to explain what I'm doing right now is going to set the standard moving forward, okay? Remember this. I did it first, okay? I did it first. I did it first. Just remember that. I'm going to set the standard. Just like I did with the live trading, I'm going to set the standard here. All right? I'm going to post the link now. This will never happen again. It will be substantially higher in the future. This is only for the people who are on this live. Now, I just posted a link. That is how you will have direct access to live trade with me on a day-to-day basis. Not just live trading, but text signals, my swing trades, my overnight future trades, all my library in terms of educational content. And yeah, man, that is what it is. Now, I kind of want to walk you guys through it. Again, this is a huge sneak peek. This is simply for people who are tuning into this Sunday, right? That is it. That is it. Moving forward, no one else is going to get this, right? It's going to be a totally different scenario for people in the future, right? People are here now. You're getting a sneak peek, and you're getting something no one else will ever get, right? That is a fact. So I'll go over it briefly with you guys real quick. Obviously, I don't want to spend too much time here. I want to, I'm not a salesy person, right? If you guys want to join, you can join. I'm not going to sit here and try to sell you all night. That's not what I want to do. I want you to join because you genuinely, one, want to live trade with me. Genuinely, two, you want to learn from me, period, right? I'm not here to do anything other than that, right? Period, okay? Period. So, again, I want you guys to remember this, right? My thought process, right? I'm telling you guys, it's going to be double, right? The price that you're seeing, it will be double in a week. I promise you that. 1,000%. And it will never come back lower, period. This is strictly for people who are on the YouTube live. I've been talking about this August. And anybody who showed up tonight, obviously, is getting rewarded, period, right? Out of the people that joined tonight, right, I will be picking, right now I have 2 mentees that haven't taken the mentorship yet. They're locked in. There's another 8 spots. Whoever signs up tonight, 8 people will be selected for half off, period. And that's how I'm giving back, and it'll never happen again, period. It'll never happen again. Now, let's get into what it looks like. All right, let's get into what it looks like. So it is very similar, obviously, to a Discord fashion, right? This is what you'll be able to see. Obviously, I've hidden a lot of things, right? I've hidden a ton of things. So obviously I'm not giving away everything for free, but this is what it looks like. And I'm going to explain why this is different and it's the first of its kind and better than anything else. Okay. Number one, when I type something, right? Let's say we're in day trades, right? I type something. Let's say, hey, I'm long NQ, my stop, my target, right? When I send this out, you don't have to be on your phone. It'll literally pop up on the front of your phone with this exact message. So you don't have to sit in the chat all day. It'll literally pop up on your phone. Unlike Discord that doesn't send individual messages to notifications when the phone's locked, you have to be on or it has to tag everyone. I don't have to do either, right? So what you can do is click the little notification bell at the top, turn it on for specific channels, and when I type in that channel, you will automatically get alerted to your phone. It'll say, hey, Felony's in this. If it's an announcement, it'll say Felony said this, etc., etc. This is what the channels look like. Like I said, I hid everything, so you're not going to be able to see anything, but this is obviously where my daily watch list will go. I will be live streaming on here, which will be the live trading floor. This is where we'll be posting our trades. Day trades, this is where we'll be posting our trades. Futures have their designated channel. Swing trades have their designated channel. Long term has its designated channel. High risk has its designated channel. Most importantly, I'm not going to go into depth because, like I said, I'm not going to, give anybody any freebies, right? I have a full-on learning curriculum here. Intro to options, intro to futures, terminology, and training videos. Very in-depth. Very, very in-depth. Right? Mark my words. I know there's a lot of people watching tonight. There's a lot of group chat owners. There's a lot of people who know what I want to do, right? Or what I'm doing. I promise you, watch what happens after this. This has never been done before in this aspect and available for you guys in the manner it's available. No more sitting on your phone all day watching the chat. You can literally do picture-in-picture for live streaming. So if you're on your phone or you're on your iPad, you can exit out of the app and still listen and watch in picture-in-picture. So it's super dope. And like I said, the alert system is super dope. But yeah, that's all you're getting. Hope you guys, that's the announcement. There you guys go. And like I said, price that you guys see right now, it'll be double next week. It'll be double next week. And that is a fact, 1,000%. But yeah, man, no more live trading for free. I feel like that's very, very, I could have been greedy, right? I could have been greedy. I know that my time is very valuable. I could have charged $500 a month. I could have charged $250, anything other than what I did, right? Anything other than what I did, right? Yes, the first month is discounted, yes. But the price that you sign up right now, it'll stay that way forever. So when I launch it for real, this is a soft launch, okay? This is a soft launch. When I post it publicly on my Instagram, the price is literally going to be double. So if you decide, hey, I want to sign up next week, you're going to literally pay double what you see right now, period. It's not coming back down. All right? All right. Now, let's get into the watch list. It's pinned at the top. Like I said, I'm not going to sit here and, talk to you guys all night about this. That was the announcement. Keep it pushing. Go about our night like we usually do. All right? Minties, man. I did a Zoom on Saturday to explain everything. Come on, man. I literally did a Zoom on Saturday to explain everything. Alrighty. Let's get it. As always, we're going to start it off with the economic calendar here. I know some people probably just trickled in. They missed it, whatever. I'll do a quick recap at the end, and we'll go about it there. We're already running a little bit late, so I got to pick up the pace here, all right? All right, let's get it. Here we are, going into Monday, August 25th. First things first, kicking off the week, we have new home sales at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let me go ahead and make this bigger for you guys. That is Monday. New home sales, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, I need you to understand something. I'm not accepting everybody, right? That's why there's a wait list, right? So when you go sign up, you're not going to get direct access, right? I just told you guys in the beginning, right? If you want access, your best bet is to sign up now at this price. Like I said, I'm not going to accept everybody. I will accept a few people, but I'm not going to accept everybody, right? That's not what I want to do. I want to keep it tight-knit. I want to keep it very organized, okay? I'm not going to be like these other fuckers that just keep it wide open, right? I don't want to have to constantly kick people. I want to keep it good vibes, all right? So that was my mindset. If you can't get access immediate, that's cool, right? It's a wait list, all right? It's a wait list. I remember everybody's name here, right? So the people who attended tonight, you will get accepted because I have the same participants list. On YouTube, I can see everybody who attends. So if you're in the YouTube, you will get accepted. That's a fact, all right? Again, I know. As soon as you click, you can't get access. It's a wait list. I said that in the beginning. Period. All right? It's a wait list, right? After the live, I'm going to go through the participant list. Everything's good. Yes, kick in YouTube. Same thing. Tomato, tomato. X, kick YouTube. Whoever's live tonight, right? You will get access as soon as this live's over. Immediately after, okay? I'm going to go through them all manually myself. And bada bing, bada boom. All right? Anyway, new home sales, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tuesday, August 26th. All right? August 26th. Side note, if you guys want to take the mentorship, wait, right? I could tell you to pay $3K, right? I could just say, hey, pay $3K. Don't, right? For anybody that signs up tonight, you will get a significant discount once you get in. You'll see it in announcements, okay? So if you do want the mentorship, just wait, period. Anyway, Tuesday, August 26th. And like I said, this is the only one time I do this, right? You can ask anybody. Go check my Instagram. I do not do this all the time. When I do something, it's done, period. I'm a man of my word and always have been. Tuesday, August 26th. We have durable good orders, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, followed by consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, Monday, new home sales, 10 a.m. Tuesday, durable good orders and consumer confidence. I'll go over a recap as well, okay, at the end. So if you guys are trickling in a little bit late, you have questions, okay? Joseph, don't be confused, right? Don't be confused. Is it $100 a month or $3K or $10 a week? Those are three different things, right? If you click the link that's pinned at the top, you're joining the wait list for what I just showed you, live trading in the community, okay? If you want to join the mentorship, just click the link at the top and you will get your chance, all right? Do not stress. Like I said, it's a wait list. I want to make sure that if you're signing up, you are in this live tonight, okay? This is not for everybody. This is just for people who are here in the YouTube, okay? Or in the Kick or an X, all right? I know. As soon as you finish, right, when you click it, boom, you're not going to get immediate access. I have to go back and I have to double check. You will have access within probably an hour, okay? Like I said, I'm going to go back and check. It says pending. Perfect. That's how it's supposed to. All right? Cool. Miko, name was under Michael? Okay, cool. I got you. Oh, we can get that situated. I know you probably, I said it a little bit after. We'll get it situated and get your back end straightened out, all right? It doesn't matter. Akeem. Long as your name's the same, we're good. I got you. Any more questions, we'll answer towards the end. I want to get into the watch list. That's what a lot of people, tune in for here, and I don't want to waste too much of their time. All right? So if anybody's got any questions, hold on to the end. We'll get to it. Wednesday, August 27th. Nothing of importance here. Thursday, probably the biggest day of the week. We have our usual jobless claims at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, along with PCE and GDP, and that is all at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 10 a.m., we have pending home sales. And then Friday, August 29th, we have PCE again at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, followed by PMI and PMI and consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. Okay? We're running a little bit behind, so I'm going to speed run through this. And, yeah, man, that's what we got to look forward to this week. Pretty jam-packed week, if you ask me. Monday, very important data. Tuesday, very important data. Wednesday, we're chilling, August 27th. Thursday, very important data. Friday, very important data. So this is a very data-heavy week, okay? Very dead week. Jaden said, you like Discord? There's a reason I made it the way I did, because it literally replicates Discord. If you look at the Minty Discord, it literally replicates it. Because at the point in time, if you guys, want to switch over, which there's no need to, you can, right? Obviously, you guys know where my focus is going to be. So there we go, right? Yes, Bobby, you heard correct. Like I said, just one more time before we move forward here. The link pinned at the top, that is for First Step Trading Community. Daily live trading. You will have access to everything from me to Hannah to everybody, okay? Daily live trades, daily swing trades, my long-term, absolutely everything in between, right? If you would like to take the mentorship, the people that are selected tonight will have the opportunity to take the mentorship at a discounted price. So that's why I'm telling you guys, don't pay for it right away. I couldn't not said anything and let you pay whatever, right? But I'm telling you guys, you will save money, right? And it won't happen again. And if you don't want to sign up with the link tonight, next week it's going to be double. I told you guys from the beginning, when I announced it, right? The people that were there in attendance, they will be rewarded. That is you guys, right? When it gets posted publicly next week, it's going to be double. That is a fact. I'm just being honest with you. Meech, why do you act like there's going to be something different? That's what I'm trying to get to understand. You're a mentee, right? Like some of y'all, I'm not gonna lie, man. Y'all really worry me. Live trading specifically and being a mentee is night and day. Like, yeah. Quita, can you please break it down to them? I don't understand. Like, I don't. Like, I don't get it. You're comparing. I'm not even gonna say anything, but y'all get it. Miko, I'll get you situated. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All right, let's get into this watch list, y'all. First things first. Got NQ here. Very interesting trading week last week. 3% pullback off of highs, which was quickly bought up into Friday's session, pretty much engulfed that whole move, which we'll get into on a lower time frame. But the big focus here, obviously, is still that demand, right? 22,800 has been that big pivot. August is closing out, not this week, but the next week. So that's going to be a very important close. In my opinion, right, we're in trouble on this chart, right? We're in trouble. I know everybody's seen Friday and screamed extremely bullish, but I have a weird tingle in my toes that was a dead cat bounce. Does that mean much? Not really, right? But the big focus here for me on NQ is going to be that 22,750, 22,800. That is that previous resistance, which was held as support. Now, if you guys notice, that is the previous week's low and the close of last week's session. That level is precisely 23,600. That is my focal point tonight and to tomorrow. Because if you look at this chart here, right? I talked about this before it even happened. I talked about this last week when the chart looked like this forward, right? What we have here is a potential head and shoulders coming into play. We have a left shoulder. We have a head. So this pop right here is actually very healthy, right? Because if you notice, we made a 4.3% pullback from highs in 7 days. That's a pretty big move, okay? Time to tell. Is there a promo code? The promo code is already included, right? I'm going to say this one more time. The $75 will be $200 next week because the original price is $100, but I gave 25% off, which equals $75. The price next week will be $200 flat, 0 discount code. So the promo code is already included. Yeah, I know. I should have waited till after. I wanted to be honest, because I had a feeling it was just going to be this. But it's all right. It's like a if you know type thing. Like anybody who's live traded with me or even learned from me in the past, free or not free, $75 a month for the value I offer. I mean, if I was in y'all's position, I would literally pay for my whole family. That's what I would do. Anyway, daily chart. This is my interest right here, okay? This is my interest. We never came down and tested this demand, which was at 22,800. So right now, we obviously have these all-time highs. We have a hold of this demand, and now we have this pop from Friday's session, which is very interesting considering that we swept that previous day's low and then engulfed that previous session. If we do not continue from here, right, tomorrow or Wednesday, if we don't get continuation, that is a big red flag, right? That is a major red flag. I would say the probability of us holding here, forming a lower high and trickling lower is extremely high. So if we don't break Friday's highs today or tomorrow, it is very likely we're going lower, and this move was just a dead cat bounce. Now, what we need to be watching to tell if that's going to happen or not is, number one, look where we're trading. Look at the significance of this supply. This is a major, major, major supply. And it also lines up perfectly with that left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder that's forming. So my big focus here is obviously going to be 23,600, 23,650. If we're below this, I'm going to have a tough time wanting to go long, right? Reason being is just look at the significance of that supply, right? The next demand isn't until down here at 22,340. And what we can do here is we can use this 22,500 as a reference. So if we want to be long, right? I got you, Burnsie. I got you. If we want to be long, we need to wait for a pullback 23,500 for a long position, or we need to wait for 23,650 to get broken and held above to go long, which only gives us room back into 22,730 and this 22,875. So my top watch really here is going to be either that breakout, or two, we get that nice fade where we start grinding lower, lose 23,500. That is our downside move back into 23,340s and 70s, okay? Let's get it. So that's what we're watching there on NQ. My personal opinion is, I want to be bullish because of Friday, but that doesn't sell me, right? Look at the difference here. Look at the volume we had on that move lower, and then Friday we had a catalyst pushing us, but yet no volume. How does that make sense? There's a bunch of red flags here, right? If we were going to go higher, we should have continued, right? So that's why I said if we don't continue today into tomorrow, that is a major red flag, and we are very likely going to fade this move lower. Mark my words. Mark my words. ES. Very tricky chart, right? Monthly is very strong. We held this major demand here, which is this 6240, that previous resistance, which was held as support. That is the big focus point. Obviously, chart's still very strong. Weekly chart, that bearish divergence is growing stronger and stronger and stronger, as you guys can see here. Daily chart is definitely concerning as well. Let me get that out of there. We have a growing bearish divergence. Now, Friday's session was very interesting for two reasons. Is if you look here, we obviously had that sell-off from highs. We're only down about 2.2%. So this was significantly stronger than obviously NQ in terms of the measured move. NQ moved about 4%. SPY only moved about 2%. If we don't trade NQ or ES, what can we trade instead? Anytime I mention ES, you can always trade SPY. Anytime I mention NQ, you can always trade QQQ, and vice versa, okay? If you guys are typing questions, please wait, because I'm not really focused on the chat right now. I'm trying to get through these watch lists. So, yes, guys, remember, this is the last time I'm going to say this. It's a wait list, okay? So I have to manually accept you, which I'm going to do as soon as this ends. So as soon as this ends, everybody that attended the YouTube, the Kick, or the X, you'll get immediate access. Boom, right? I have help, okay? First of all, I have my mods in here. And second of all, I literally paid two of my very close friends to sit in here and take down the participants. So they're actively checking your name. Some of you guys will have access before it's over. Like I said, it's very important that I do this because I don't want a watered down community, right? I want to be tight-knit. I want to be very, very focused on what we're there for, trading, okay? I don't want any trolls, none of that, okay? Boom. Like I said, when you click, it's going to be immediately on the wait list. You're good, all right? It's going to pop up another screen offering the mentorship and the trading view. You don't do either of them, right? I'm not here to tell you guys to buy anything, okay? Don't pay $3K for the mentorship, okay? If you're on the wait list and you click the link in the chat, you're good, okay? You're good. You have the opportunity to take the mentorship as soon as you get in there at a lower price. So like I said, you can if you want, right? But I'm telling you guys to save money. If you don't want to listen, more power to you. I mean, I don't care, right? So if you get in plays while you're not live, okay, you missed the beginning. This is the last question I'm going to answer until the end. Do you get the plays if you're not live? Yes, you will get a push notification on your phone, exact real time with the exact message I sent. Discord doesn't do that. No other app does that. It'll be like nothing that's ever been seen before, right? So it'll literally pop up on your phone, whether you're in there, not in there, or anything like that, okay? All right, back to it. Let me turn on my fan. I told you guys, man, when I do something, I do it right. I do it right. Anyway, NQ here. Back at all-time highs, right? We had a nice downside move that was pretty much engulfed in one day. We had 4 trading days here that were pretty much engulfed in one day. I just turned my fan on. If it bothers you guys, I'm sorry, right? Don't be mad at me. I'll turn it off, okay? So if the fan gets too loud, let me know. I'll turn it off, okay? No problem for me. No problem for me. All right, we'll make it happen. All right, ES here. Beautiful double top on the daily. I am not sold on that pop from last week. Like I said, my contingency this week is if we can't break Friday's highs, we're very likely going to fade lower. So the levels that I want to pay attention to, we kind of got to get going here. We're running a little bit late. What I want to focus on here is number 1, all-time highs, 65.10, and a major psychological level at 6,500. Okay? If we are below these levels, it's going to be hard for me to be bullish, right? With this move on Friday, that strength that we've seen with Jackson Hole speech, we should have continued higher. So if we don't break this 6,500 today, tomorrow, or this week, I think it's very likely that we're going to trade lower. So the levels to watch here, obviously, 6,500, 6,510. If we can get above, those are the levels for continued upside. Now, downside, we are here at the level right now, 64.75. If we lose this previous structure, this is an immediate trade. You could take now, tonight, into tomorrow. If we lose 64.75, that is your short opportunity. Target, 64.50, 64.20. That is my top watch in tomorrow's session. Either above all-time highs for that long or below 64.75, okay? YM, this is my favorite chart. Very valid reason, okay? Look at it. Number 1. We are almost back at all-time highs. So yes, we are sitting in a major supply, but I want to focus on what's important here. If you guys remember from Friday's session, this was my top long watch. I talked about this big demand, and I talked about this bull flag here. Unfortunately, I didn't catch it. That was beautiful. Look at this chart here. This is the definition of 1, an A+ breakout, and 2, an A+ break and retest. We got these multiple higher lows, flat top resistance that we built into. We have a strong closure into our level, through our level, with nice rising volume. This is an A+ setup, guys, by definition. A perfect example of an A+ setup, okay? So what I'm watching here on YM is I'm simply watching 2 things. 1, a pullback, 45,300, 45,400 for a demand bounce, or I'm looking for a break and hold above 45,850 to go long into 46,000. These are 2 A+ setups for me. Honestly, as long as we're above 45,300, I'm bullish on this. If we lose 45,300, that is the bearish scenario. But as you guys can see, this is the cleanest chart out of all the indices. Look how beautiful this is. ES, NQ, in my opinion, it looks like we're going to fade. If we don't break Friday's highs today or tomorrow, this is going to fade lower. Mark my words. If we don't break Friday's highs, if we don't break Friday's highs on NQ and ES this week, we're going lower. That's simple. If we break Friday's highs, that's a continuation. ES, same thing. If we don't break that 6,500 this week, we're going lower. This move will turn into a dead cat bounce. YM, on the other hand, extremely bullish here. Okay? RTY, extremely bullish. Except, what do you guys notice here? Pay attention. Confluence is so important when trading. NQ, what are we doing? Sitting in supply. ES, what are we doing? Sitting in supply. YM, We are bullish, but where are we sitting? A monumental supply. That's 3 out of the 4 names. RTY, where are we sitting? Look at this level. You guys asked me about levels. I'm going to talk about this one time and one time only. This is the definition of an A+ level. Okay? If you guys know what I want to know what an A+ level looks like, the strongest level you can possibly get, this is it. Minties, you know why. This is the definition of an A+ level. Okay? Now, main watch here. Look at this. Beautiful bull flag, strong breakout, rising volume. We broke that flat top. Top watch here for me is a pullback into this demand. If we can get a pullback here, 23.30, 23.40, that's the top watch for a demand bounce. All right? Upside, 23.74 is the level. Above 23.74, that's where I'm looking to go long for continuation in the 2400. This is my A+ setup this week. Okay? Silver. I don't know if I love this chart, man. I don't know if I love this chart. The major level here is 38.7. If we're above it, bullish. If we lose it, bearish. That's simple. So if you're a silver trader, 38.75 is the level you're watching. Gold, very tricky here. Right? Very weak. Friday, bullish engulfing. But if you notice something, this is market wide, right? We're seeing a pullback off of Friday's highs. With the strength we've seen on Friday, that shouldn't be the case. This gold level is clean and clear. This is an A+ setup. So if we're watching gold, we're watching for a pullback, 3,400. Or we're watching for a break and hold above 34.25. This is my top watch. If we can hold 34.25, this can squeeze back into 34.70 easily. That is a massive move to the upside. If we fail 3,400, that is the bearish scenario on gold, okay? Very simple. Lavish, yeah, I got you. Let's see what else we got. Platinum, major supply here, 1375, 1400. Let's get into these individual names, though. We're running a little bit behind here, and then we'll get into more questions. Guys, this is a soft launch, okay? The real official public launch is going to happen later this week or next week. Like I said, it'll be a double the price. So you guys do with that information as you wish, okay? WAP is the shit, okay? I'm just going to say that first and foremost. Shit's on Discord in every aspect. One, just from the notifications alone. In order to see something in Discord, you literally have to be camping in it. If you close your phone and lock it, you won't get a Discord notification unless they tag @everyone. Even then, it doesn't come through most of the time. With WAP, it'll literally come through as I send it. So without even you unlocking your phone, you can see a trade update. You can see an announcement. You can see entry, exit, stop, everything straight on the front of your phone. Or if you're in the app, you'll see it as well. All right. Zoom. Beautiful, beautiful break here. Got these nice higher lows. Last week we had earnings. Cleared this major supply, which is now demand. That is the top watch. Pullback 79.80 for a demand bounce. Or above 83 for continuation into 85 plus. Okay? That is my top long watch. Coin. This is my top swing watch. Look at this. Beautiful daily double bottom. Beautiful weekly pin bar. Cleared this massive structure. There's the double bottom. There's the massive structure at 307. Major resistance here. What I'm watching, pullback 307, 310 for a demand bounce or a swing entry, or above 323 for a long entry, targeting 333 and then 350. This is an A+ setup if we can hold these levels, both for a day trade and swing. This looks absolutely excellent, okay? Next, we have Netflix. This name was extremely weak relative to the overall market. On top of that, we have a weekly flip. We have a high, attempt to go higher. We failed, and now we have a lower high with a bearish engulfing here on the weekly, and we have nice volume. Daily, we had that same setup. Close right back into this massive structure here. So my top watch with that relative weakness on Friday's session and this beautiful flat bottom here, this is an A+ setup. If Netflix can get weak, back below 11.95. We get that break and hold below 11.95. That is an A+ short setup, targeting 11.70 and then 11.50. This is my A+ short watch this week. Okay. Yeah, Kick is definitely better when it comes to these lives here. Tesla, kind of a side watch here, but I do like it a lot. We got a beautiful build here on the weekly. Swept that previous week's low. Nice bullish pin bar on the weekly. Daily, extremely strong closure. Still trading in this rising wedge. So this is kind of a side watch for me. But what I'm watching is I'm watching for two things here. Above 348 on Tesla for continuation into 370. Or I'm looking for a slight pullback into 331 or 327 for a demand bounce. That is my top watch here on Tesla. This is a beautiful chart following Friday's strength. All right, we got 15 minutes left. Let's take a step back and get into questions. All right, we've covered the watch list. Now we can all take a breath. I'm going to take a quick drink of water. Whatever questions you guys have, feel free to ask it. Now's the time. If it's a question about first step trading, if it's a question about me or anything, feel free to ask it. Now's the time, okay? Now's the time. Whatever you guys got, let's get it. And then we'll get into the giveaways, okay? Oh, wow. I owe you guys. I owe you guys a lot. Okay, let's get into these giveaway questions here. All right, let's see. WAP name is Salvador. Long as you're here, you'll be accepted. That is a fact. All right, what do you got? Questions, questions, questions. Now's the time. Now's the time. I'll do one more recap in a moment. You can't pay twice because you'll be on the wait list, so you're good. Apparently, they've already started letting people in. Let me see 1 second. I will check for you guys. What are your thoughts on seasonality? Very important. September historically is a very bad month for the market. Okay, run it up, Mojo. What was the first account you signed up on so I can tell them to deny that one and you accept the second one? About names on WAP. Let me see. I'm trying to keep up. The discount is right now. I'm telling you guys right now. Right now, it's $75. Next week, it'll be $200 flat. No discount. I told you guys I was doing this for people who showed up to the live. It's not even public yet. The only people who know about it are here. I haven't posted on my Instagram. I haven't posted anywhere publicly. Nowhere. The only people that know this is open is you right now. It's not getting opened until technically next week. I'm doing this for you guys that take it serious about live trading with me and wanting to learn from me. Because like I said, I stopped doing the free lives last week. So this week and moving forward, if you want to live trade with me, this is how to do so. Do you have to download? Yes, it's an app on the App Store. You should have it anyway. What is the difference between trading S&P and futures? Same thing, right? ES SPY. Yes, C-dub. That is your guys' price tonight. So what you guys pay tonight is what you'll pay monthly. Moving forward, like I said, it's going to be double. So if you sign up next week, it's going to be $200 monthly. Did anybody get accepted yet? Oh, hold on. We're actually starting to get a... a nice setup here. We're actually starting to get a nice setup here. I'm telling you guys, we could literally fade that whole move. Mark my words. If we don't break Friday's highs on NQ and ES this week, we're going to end up breaking these lows. I'm telling you right now, mark my words. Mark my words. If NQ doesn't break 23,650 this week and ES doesn't break 6,500, we're going to fade that whole move. If we break Friday's highs, that's a bullish scenario. Yes, after you sign up, right, if you click the link here, if it brings you to the other option of choosing the mentorship or the trading view, that means you're good. Okay? Do not sign up for the mentorship. I could tell you guys to sign up, right? And obviously pay the full price, but I'm telling you right now, you'll have the opportunity to have it discounted. So listen to what I'm saying. Period. All right? All right. Let's see what we got here. I'm messaging and see if they let anybody in. I want to see if anybody's in yet. I signed up. You'll see. Chris, 1 second. I'm checking right now. Hannah, yes. She will be there. She will be there. Mojo, what was your name so I could check on that real quick? Legal pitcher. Is that the one you want me to cancel? I can tell him to cancel it. Okay, so cancel legal pitcher. Okay. Any question, guys? Whatever you guys got. Now is the time. Obviously, we could talk more about it tomorrow. But now's the time. I got another 10 minutes. Whether it's trading, business, entrepreneurship, whatever you guys got. I'm trying to find a legal pitcher here so I can get him situated while I'm here. Let me see. Yes, if you see the two options, you're good to go. All right. I'm trying to find legal pitcher right now. I got you guys right now. I got you. Wait, it's actually keypads 05. That is crazy you said that because when I was looking here, my finger was on top of that. Keypads 05. So that's the one you want me to cancel, right? I'm going to cancel it right now. Yes or no? Okay. I'm manually going through your guys' names literally right this second. So some of you guys should be accepted here in a minute. Alrighty, some of you guys should be good to go. Some of you guys should be. Anybody in? Anybody in? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Trading chat, where y'all at? In? Awesome. Cool, cool, cool. Nice, nice, nice. Oh my god. Y'all are crazy, man. Wow. You guys are crazy. I can't even read it. It's going so fast. Jesus. Let's go, man. Philly. Oklahoma. Let's go, man. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Is anybody not accepted? Because once I end this live, no one else will be able to join. That is it. Arponte. Literally just go to the App Store, type in WAP. It's a little orange app. You can't miss it. All right, I owe you guys some giveaways as well. Maybe I'll give away a couple free spots. Bro, y'all are going crazy. Let's go, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Haven't been accepted? What's your name? I'll get you guys right now. DMV, we in here. Let's go. I'll get you guys accepted right now. Once you get accepted, go to the trading chat. That's where we're all at right now. Alexis, you're good to go. Mercs, you're good to go. Did you do everybody else? Okay, make sure they're in the YouTube. I don't want anybody else that's not in the YouTube. Yeah, but because I'm not going to post it till next week. I don't want this shit to be all trolly and stuff like that. So make sure that you're checking the participant list right here. Let's get it. Anybody not in? Because like I said, when I hop off, that is it. It's all over. I'm going to do a giveaway in here as well. And yeah, man. We are here. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get this giveaway going. I gotta get the mentees situated as well. Quita, there's zero to worry about. I mean, like, as a mentee, like, you're the last person to worry. Like, literally. Like, what is there to worry about? Like, be honest. What is there to worry about? Like, y'all trip me out, man. I mean, I said that. You guys, as a mentee, you're golden for life. Period. Mentees over here, it's like I don't know, man. It's not working. Let me know. Lamu, you're not in? Let me see. Lamar, is that you? Missy, you're good. If you guys want to be a mentee, just wait. I'm telling you guys, don't pay the full price. I'm going to give you guys an opportunity. For everybody that was here tonight, you will be rewarded, period. Let me see. Dun, 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 dun. Trying to make sure everybody's good before I hop off here. You were charged twice? Don't stress, man. Once you get in there, we'll get it situated. Don't stress. Nothing to worry about. You don't have to keep spamming, man. I see it. I got you. Bro, if you spam again, I'm going to time you out. I just told you I seen it. You've typed the message 55,000 times. Hey, look at this. All right, let's get into this giveaway, y'all. I'll let y'all get out of here. I'm trying to make sure everybody's good to go, though. Because like I said, once I hop off, you're kind of still not in. What's your name, Kahim? Off the rip, I will. Once you're in there, you'll see it under announcements. What's your name? If you're not accepted, just type your name in the chat right now. Go to the YouTube chat. They're about to type right now. Type your WAP name if you're not in. Desert Reed. I'm helping right now too, so if I see it, I got you. Zach Fern, you're good. True Troop, Shaleem. Gerald. Gerald, you're good. Yo, it's Gerald. Brian Torres, you're good. Tyler, you're good. Ace. Are you the mentee, Ace? What the fuck are you doing, man? Y'all are crazy. Kevin TJ? Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Make sure everybody's good. X chat. I kind of neglected y'all. I am sorry. I am so sorry. Here you go. Here's the link. I thought I posted it. I didn't. My bad. I'll stay on a little bit longer for the X chat. I'm sorry. There you go. I just posted the link. I am sorry. I just posted the link. Can you look at the X chat? For anybody that's in X, type your WAP username. I'll get you accepted right now. Whoever's in the X chat, type your username. I'll get you accepted right now. Laura, what's going on? I'm not gonna lie. I think y'all let me see him pop out the chat. Zach Redfern. Go to the desktop. Number 1, that's how you know you accepted. 2, download the WAP app. You'll be good to go. Yeah, there's a desktop version. Definitely. Desktop, and there's a mobile app on the App Store. It's way better than Discord. Like I said, 1,000 times better than Discord. 1,000 times better than Discord. 1,000 times better. 1,000 times better. How do you know if you're in? You'll see everything pop up. You're still not in? Shalimar, let me see. I got you right now. Michael Warren, you're good. This app is fire. I told y'all, man. I'm the first to do this. Watch what everybody does after me. I'm telling y'all. This shit is sick. I've been working on this for almost 2 years now. Shout out to Watt, man. Shout out to Watt. I'm telling y'all, this app is sick, and y'all haven't even seen the full of it. I'll show you guys another sneak peek. Hold on. Y'all want to see another sneak peek? Hold on. Look at this. Michael McDaniel. Let me see. Push with the pull. Let me see. If I think a couple people did get denied, I'm not sure why. Did you deny anybody? If you got denied, just try again. All right, let me see. Akeem, I just seen you. Akeem, I just seen you. Ridge Payton, I just seen you. Dizzy got games. Okay. Run it keys. I don't see your name. Try again. Let me see. I want to make sure everybody's good to go because, like I said, when I hop off, that's it. Legacy and Hustle. The link at the top. 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 I just posted again. There you guys go. Tyson Roberts. All right, I'll check one more time, and then we'll get into these giveaways. And then we'll get into the giveaway. All right, let's see here. NQ's starting to make a nice little move. I think there's gonna be a lot of value into tomorrow. All right, let's do this giveaway, and I'll come right back to it, okay? I owe you guys this giveaway. Let's go ahead and knock this out real quick. Let me go ahead and end that poll. There we go. If you're not in, let me finish this giveaway. I'll make sure you're good to go. Okay? There you go. Vega Boy said, once you're in, you receive an email. So check your email. All right. Keyword is going to be FST. Good luck, everybody. All you have to do is type it one time. You'll be good to go. Yes, it stays at that price. Like I said, next week, it'll be double. Oh my God, you guys crushed both light goals? Y'all are going crazy, man. All right. Good luck, everybody. All you got to do is type one time. Don't spam it or it might time you out. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. James Isley. James Isley. Please type something within the next minute so I know you're here. So I know you are here. All right, I just seen your message. Perfect. Congratulations. Let's go ahead and run it back. Next keyword is going to be turbo. Turbo. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. We'll give it another 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nick Mitchell. Congratulations. Please type something within the next minute, and you are good to go. Where you at? Here? Perfect. Alrighty. We'll do one more here in a minute. Let me get back and make sure everyone's good to go. Quio, you should be good to go. Should be good to go. Alright, we'll come back to this in a second. Actually, let's do the last one real quick. Let's do one more and we'll be done with this. I'll just pick them from this entry. Good luck, everybody. MG. MG is the third winner. Congratulations to James Isley, Nick Mitchell, and MG. MG, where you at? Again, man, I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in, man. You guys know I've been doing these lives for literally 5 years straight. Every Sunday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I do these lives for you, man. Unfortunately, like I said, no more free Zooms, but you guys now have direct access not only to live trading, but our community as a whole. I'm very, very excited, man. Just the beginning, right? It's just the beginning. There's so much more to come. And I'm happy to have the freedom to do what I please, as I please, when I please, how I please. And I'm happy you guys are along for the ride. Mentees know they got the first class seat, but now everybody gets to experience a much better experience versus just Instagram, right? Now we can all learn and earn together the right way. Chris, the pinned link at the top. Pinned link at the top. MG's here. Perfect. Get them situated. And we are good to go. Alrighty. Any last minute questions, you guys? Any last minute questions? Any last minute questions? Gotta, for sure. I got you. Message me on Discord. Quinnell, I got you. Give me 1 second, you guys. I'll be right back. Alrighty, let's get it. I am Dash. I got something special for you guys. I don't want to speak about it publicly right now, obviously. Alrighty, I think we're good to go. T. Clinton, I'll talk about that a little bit further throughout the week. As of right now, y'all are good. Bryn Mart. All right, I'll check one more time before I hop off. All right, I see Quentin. Bryn Mart, got you. Quinnell, got you. All right, one more time. If you... Dom, are you talking to me or who are you talking to? For the giveaway winners, please check the pinned message. I just changed it. That is how you claim your prize, your cash. Yes, it'll charge you after you're accepted. Yep. Bryn Mart, you're good. I got you. Diz Games. I don't see that, so you might have to try again. Might have to try again. Live trading every day, 5 days a week. As long as the market's open, I'm there. Yep, William. Yep. Robert, yes. For everybody who's in YouTube, this is your price moving forward. Like I said, next week, it will be double. All right. All right, are you watching the chat? You got the participants. I'm getting ready to end it. Alrighty, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in tonight. Hopefully you guys had a great night. I know moving forward, things will be a lot more convenient for everybody, right? Now we're all in one place. Minties, we're going to get situated. And then it's the last step, and then we're good to go. We are good to go. Let me see. West Invest. King Mo. Yeah, join the wait list, and I'll write a note for tomorrow. Diggs got games. I don't see it. What's your WAP name? Oh, yep. There you go. I got you. Boom. You're good. Yeah, you'll get a notification via email once you get accepted. Quinnell, you're good. Wes, you're good. All right, everybody should be good now. Cubani. Let me see if I can find you real quick. That's the last one. Alrighty. Justin, let me see. It should be good. Should be good. Alrighty, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Yes, Christopher. Yes. Alrighty, man. I gotta go ahead and rock out. Hope you guys enjoyed tonight, man. I'll see majority of you guys bright and early for live trading as always. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll do a pre-market Zoom tomorrow for Instagram, and then that is it. No, I'll do pre-markets once in a while. We'll keep it going. And AJ, let me see. What's your name on there? Your name looks familiar, so I'll give you a second. Barnes, I think you're good. Check your email. Miko, I got you as soon as I hop off. Literally, as soon as I hop off. I'll message you on WAP. King success. Yeah, everybody should be good now. Yes. All right. One more time. I'm going to rock out after this. I just posted a link at the top. Type your WAP name before you hop off. I'm going to leave the Zoom up. I'm going to leave the YouTube up for a second. I'm going to pin that at the top again. They're going to grab the participants, and I'm out of here. All right? Yes, sir. Let me see. Gold. Again, major levels here on gold. 3,400. 3,425. This is my main focus. Anywhere in between here is my no trade zone. That's simple. Above 3,425, buy the dip. 3,470 is the target. Look for that 3,400 demand hold for longs, or look for that 3,400 fade for a short back down into 3,355. Okay? See, now you're on the wait list. Perfect. Alrighty. Links at the top. I'm going to go ahead and rock out, man. Like I said, I do not want you guys to join any other reason, and you guys generally like live trading with me or want to learn from me. I want to keep the community as tight-knit, no trolling. Everybody's on the same vibe, learning and earning, all right? I'm going to keep it that way. It's always going to be approval, and yeah, man, I will see you guys in the morning, as always. And yeah, man, you guys enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks for everybody tuning in. Shout out to the 3 winners. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. Peace, everybody.